In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Google Docs from a specific page. If you're working on a document like a report, assignment, or proposal, there are times when you don't want the page number to appear right from the first page. For example, you may want to keep a title page clean and begin numbering later. Google Docs makes this pretty simple once you know where to look. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact menu path to get started. First, go to your Google Doc and open the document where you want to add page numbers. Make sure you're in the correct file before making any changes, especially if you're working with multiple drafts. Once the document is open, you'll be ready to access the page numbering tools built into Google Docs. Next, move your attention to the top menu bar and click on Insert. This menu contains a lot of useful formatting tools, including headers, footers, breaks, and page-related options. Since page numbers are treated as part of your page layout, this is where you'll find the setting you need. After that, hover over page elements and then click on page numbers. When you open this section, Google Docs will display the available numbering choices. This is the area that controls where the number appears and where the numbering starts immediately or allows you to leave the first page without a number. If you're specifically trying to start numbering from a later page, this menu is the key place to begin. Now click on the format you want from the 4 available options. These options usually let you choose between placing the page number in the header or footer and whether the first page should show a number or stay blank. If your goal is to add page numbers starting after the first page, choose the option that skips numbering on page 1. That way your opening page can remain clean while the following pages are numbered automatically. Take a moment to preview the results after selecting your format. If the page numbers appear in the wrong position, or if the first page is still numbered when you don't want it to be, simply return to the same menu and choose a different option. Google Docs updates these settings quickly, so it's easy to adjust. And that's it. Once you choose the right page number format, your document will be much more polished and easier to navigate.